A very good morning, students. In this part of today's video, we are going to write letter H in our English workbook and English notebook. So without any delay, open your English workbook. Letter H is in page number 15. So open page number 15 and see there is a picture of a hat. Why? Because hat begins with letter H, or we can say that H for hat. H for hat. First of all, write down date, then we will start writing process. As today is 8, so write down 8 on the top, then hyphen, after that 6, again a hyphen, and then 2020. Write HW as well because this is your homework. H.W. Okay. Let us write the letter H. In this page, in the whole page, we need to write letter H with the help of these dots, by using the point, or without any help. So let's just begin. Firstly, we will trace this letter H because this is the biggest in the page. Start tracing. First of all, trace this standing line slowly. Yeah, like this. Then another standing line, and then the sleeping line. And we have done. Now, in these two lines, you would have to trace and then make letter H. The same way we will trace here also. As first of all, you will trace the standing line, another standing line, and then sleeping line. Again standing line, another standing line, and then sleeping line. This is how you can trace these two lines. Moving towards the third line. See, there are points. So what we need to do? We need to join these dots. We need to join these points to make letter H. So first of all, what we need to do? We will just join these three dots to make a standing line like this. Then join these three lines to make another standing line. And then from the mid line, okay, from the midpoint, join this one like this. Join three dots to make a standing line. Again join three dots to make another standing line. Then join both the middle dots to make a sleeping line. This is how you can make letter H by using these points. So in these two lines, you will join the dot and then you will make letter H. Moving towards the next line. Look, there is no any help for you. Here you will write letter H by yourself only. So you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4. But we need to write letter H by using only 1, 2, 3 lines. So start from the red line. Make a standing line in 3 lines only. 1, 2, 3 line. So make a standing line like this. Then another standing line after giving some distance. And then join these two lines with a sleeping line. This is letter H. So your homework is to write letter H. How? In first two lines you will trace and then write. In middle two lines you will join the dots and then write letter H. And at last, the last two lines you will write letter H like this in 3 lines only. Okay? Now close your book and open your English notebook. So in the notebook also, what we write first? We write date. So as today is 8, so write down 8 on the top, hyphen 6, again a hyphen, 2 0 2 0, and then HW on the center, on the top, H dot W dot, because this is your homework. As you have also seen in the book, like there were also 4 lines, and here you can also see that 1 2 3 4 lines are there. So we will not write in all 4 lines. How many lines we need to write letter H? Yes, we need only 3 lines, the upper 3 lines, 1 2 3. So let's just begin and write letter H. First of all, make a standing line. After giving some space, make another standing line, and then join these 2 lines from the center. And yes, letter H is ready. I'm gonna make another. First of all, make a standing line. After some space, after giving some distance, make another standing line in 3 lines only, okay? And then join from the mid. One more standing line, one more standing line, sleeping line. See, I have written 1 2 3 times. So you will also write letter H in 3 times, okay? In a row, how many times you will write? Only 3 times. And you will write letter H in the whole page. So this is your homework, to write letter H in the notebook and in the workbook also. Write in the both, click picture and send it to me. Meet you in the next video. Good day.